Good morning, guys.
Good morning and welcome to Lamego.
We are at the castle, or what's left of it. That's the sanctuary Nossa Senhora dos Remédios, up there. And this is the city that we're going to show you today, right?
Yeah,
Yeah? Excited?
very excited.
Okay, now we have to wait for the other people come down the tower so we can go up.
Yeah, if you want to come to the castle, keep in mind that only two can go up at a time.
At this moment due to COVID.
Yeah, so maybe if you come
Early.
yeah, it's better because a lot of people will be here waiting for their time and you'll burn with the sun.
By the way, the entrance is free.
Yeah, that's a nice point.
What's your opinion about today?
Today.
What you did today?
Oh God.
What God?
So we started by seeing the city here in Lamego in the morning. Then we went to National Route number
222.
222.
222.
It's 2.
Okay.
So that's an amazing road. If you have the chance, you can see Douro River and all its nature around. It's just so beautiful. You can really relax and breathe. You can stop the car like on the sides. There's space for it, and you can just enjoy the view. It is magical, and you just feel like the river breeze. It's amazing. Then, we had that amazing boat trip.
Yeah, in the typical boat that transported the wine.
The wine, yeah, you can actually hear the all the history. If you take this boat, it was 10 euros per person, and it's just a traditional, really beautiful boat, like a small boat, not something big, all in woods. And while you're in there, just in the river and watching all the nature around, you can listen to the history of that place and all the wine around. Because, as you might know, Portugal is well known by Porto wine, and yeah, it's for 10 euros. I think it was totally worth it and a really amazing experience. Then it just had back to, oh, this was in Pinhao. The routes 222 had to Pinhao. After the boat trip, we just went to the train station to take some pictures because it's like traditional trains. Who doesn't love to watch traditional trains?
Yeah, by the way, you can do the same, how can I say? You can basically the same route as the boat, but on one of the sides on the train, and that route is taken by, I think it's diesel and coal trains. They are not electric in that part, and there's also no road close to the river, so you can do what we did on the boat, 1 hour or 2 hours, or you can take the train. That's also 1 hour to Poncinho, and you just go along the wineries.
Just make sure to not do that on Sundays.
Yeah, it make sure you check the schedule, because you might get 5 hours in Poncinho waiting for the train back to Pinhao.
Yeah, so not on Sundays. Today was Sunday, so we just opted for the boat.
Yeah. Also, you can do this trip starting in Porto,
Yeah.
São Bento station, until Pinhão, Pocinho, Peço de Régua, and you.
After Pinhao, what did we do? Oh, we just had back to
Camping.
Lamego. We did some groceries because we need to have dinner. By the way, this is a really amazing campsite. So
Yeah, we showed you around, and maybe we can put a picture of the stars later.
yeah,
Today
we're feeling like a bit of a junk food day, so we're just having some pasta with some vegan sausages, I guess we could call it. I
Yeah.
just cut them in.
Vegan soy sausages
I just cut them in little circles
and soy cream,
and
and you're gonna mix it all.
yeah,
up.
just the spaghetti.
The spaghetti.
Yeah, some spaghetti, pasta.
Okay. So, see you tomorrow, guys, with no plan for tomorrow.
See you
Yes.
tomorrow.
Just go with the flow.